Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. First, we need a tub and a lid. Today, we will be working with the letter R. There it is. It has an uppercase R and a lowercase r. Let's put the sticker on top of the lid. Now let's put the letter R on the bucket. It has an uppercase R and a lowercase r. Next, we're going to put a sticker on the bottom of the lid, and it has an uppercase R and a lowercase r. Now let's find the things that go in the bucket. First, let's find the uppercase R. Next, we will find the lowercase r. Let's find some things to put in the bucket, like a rat. Look at that rat. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Ah! Next, we have a rainbow. You can see a rainbow in the sky. They're beautiful. Next is a flower called a rose. Look at that pretty rose. Next is a radio. You can listen to music on a radio. Next, let's find a ring. You can wear a ring on your finger. And the last one is a really cool robot. Let's put the things in the bucket, like the uppercase R and a lowercase r. Let's put the rat in the bucket. Rainbow. Rose. Radio. A ring. And last, the robot. We can put the lid on this one. It is all done. That was the letter R. After the letter R is the letter S. See you next time.